Have you ever felt like there was something more to this life, like there's another way of seeing the world that's just beyond our normal perception? You're not alone. That's your third eye chakra calling. It's this energy center in the back middle of your brain, and when it's activated, it's like boom, intuition, clarity, spiritual connection, it all gets amplified. Today we're going to unlock that power with a 3-part, crazy effective breathwork routine. We're talking about techniques that anyone can use anywhere to tap into that next level awareness. So if you're ready to experience reality in a whole new way, get ready because things are about to get seriously interesting. Alright, so before we dive into the really wild stuff, we gotta lay the groundwork. Think of this first technique as the on-ramp to a whole new state of consciousness. It's all about finding your center, getting grounded from within yourself, and preparing your mind and body for what's to come. We're gonna start by breathing fully in through the nose, breathing into your lower belly, then moving up to the heart, and then move it out. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth in a connected way, filling your belly up first. Connect the inhale to the exhale with no pausing in between. Active but gentle inhales followed with passive exhales. Let go of any tension, any stress, just let it all go. Keep this rhythm going for at least a few minutes. You'll start to notice your mind quieting down, the constant chatter fading away. That's what we want. We're creating space for something powerful to emerge. Trust the process. This is how we unlock the door to the third eye. Okay, now that we've got that nice steady breath going, it's time to kick things up a notch. We're going to start targeting that pineal gland directly. Now the pineal gland, man, that's where it's at. It's this tiny little pine cone-shaped gland deep inside your brain, and some people believe it's the seat of the soul, the connection to higher consciousness, all that crazy stuff. Whether you believe that or not, there's no denying that stimulating this gland can lead to some pretty intense experiences. So here's how we do it, after a few minutes of full belly breathing. Follow them with an even fuller, deeper single inhale. But this time hold it in, and hold it at the top. Now do a Kegel and clench your perineum followed by clenching your abdominal muscles, like you're about to get punched in the gut. But instead of just holding that tension, imagine you're pushing it upwards, directing that energy, that force, up towards your pineal gland. Visualize it, feel it, almost like you're sending your consciousness through your third eye as if it were a gateway to expanded awareness. Hold it at the top for a few seconds, and then release your breath and relax your muscles. You might start to feel a tingling sensation in your forehead, a sense of pressure, or even see some crazy colors or patterns behind your closed eyelids. That's the pineal gland waking up, my friend. It's like we're flipping the switch on our inner vision. This breath is excellent to practice on its own. Practicing this on a regular will really help to activate those pineal gland crystals. Alright, we've prepped our minds and bodies, we've given that pineal gland a good shake, now it's time to really go deep. We're talking full-on third eye luminescence here. This is where things can get really intense but really transformative. But trust me, it's worth it. This last technique is all about prolonged breath retention. We're going to push our limits a little bit here, explore the edges of our comfort zone, because that's where the real magic happens. So after you squeeze your pineal gland, you then exhale and hold the exhale. No more breathing for as long as you comfortably can, or at least for 1.5 minutes or longer. Don't push it to the point of pain or too much discomfort, but don't be afraid to challenge yourself either. As you hold your breath, focus your attention on your third eye. Place your attention there, and you'll see a world beyond the ordinary. You might start to feel a sense of euphoria, a profound sense of peace, or even experience vivid visions. The longer you can hold your breath, the deeper you'll go. We're talking expanded states of consciousness here. This is where the real insights come, the profound realizations about yourself and the universe. So there you have it, a powerful 3-part breathwork routine to unlock the power of your third eye. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this stuff can be intense. You might feel a little lightheaded at first, see some crazy things, but that's all part of the journey. The more you practice, the easier it gets and the more profound the experiences become. You'll start to notice the effects in your everyday life. Increased intuition, more vivid dreams, a stronger sense of purpose, and a deeper connection to the world within you and around you. Keep exploring, keep pushing your boundaries, and who knows what amazing things you'll discover within yourself.